we on? Are we live? We're going, we're saying? Yeah, we're live. Chaddy, we're live. We're live.
What, we're live?
Yeah, we're live. Welcome back to the channel. So, nice happy Sunday morning. We got the rain's gone, the sun's back with us. I bought the car a little present, so without further ado, the present I've got in my car is a box. I've got it a box. So you might know, if you know a bit about them pipes there, what we're probably going to be doing. So we're about to take the front bumper off. Very gently. He's taking my eyebrows off. What are you doing with my eyebrows, bro?
I'm going to redo them, bro.
You're going to redo them? Cheers, mate. Why are they bad?
Yeah, they're really bad. Done them on grass and that, didn't you?
Yeah, a little bit. I had Nature's Cardboard to help, thank for that, mate. So we're taking this off. This is coming off. We've got ourselves a lovely I hate opening box on camera, man. No one ever does a good job of it. Oh, see you later, bro. Lovely looking intercooler. So, happy days. Man like Chaddy's going to box it off with me today.
Try.
We're going to try it. Well, we're going to do it. No, we're going to do it, man. We're positive people. We're going to get this done. Well, we'll get the bumper off, get some bits together, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Peace. Wish me luck. So there's the pipes. We're just about to pull that off. How are we doing? Are we good? Oh, we're good, mate.
Underneath's connected, bro.
Yeah, I know. He said if he's not had it off before, it's got pins on the bottom. That's probably why we need a jacket. Oh, someone do the weather dance for me, because that cloud looks nasty. Looks pretty blue though. So yeah, it's thanks to Matt at MTC for sorting me out. Made a deal on this. I'll get you boys a discount code off him soon and throw it on. I'll have a word. But yeah, Matt, man, we could have sprayed your logo on it, bro. MTC this there, looking good. Can't wait to get this beast on. Chaddy, as usual, always having a fucking lie down on the job. And we've got...
Someone's got him.
Yeah, you know that. We've got a little camera stand set up as well, so I might make use of that in a minute. So we can do a bit of a time lapse maybe. So yeah, we'll get these pins out, get the bonnet bumper off, and we'll go from there. Peace.
What are you doing?
Say hello.
Hello.
Touch me down. Respect. Right, quick update part, guys. We've got the cooler out of the box, it's always a good sign. Headlights off the car, some space. Chad is deep into it. Oh, no, Gasper. Yeah, so we've sort of fit in the cooler now. Looking beast on there. We'll just try to join it all in, see where we go. So, car's in bits a little bit, but we're getting there. It's a big jigsaw puzzle. Big jigsaw puzzle we'll try to do, aren't we, bro?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And you've broken jigsaw.
I have every confidence we'll be cooler than ever soon. Keep you posted, boys. Peace. Yes, guys, well, he's getting the match back on. We've had the match on while we're rolling. So, updates, man, updates. Currently, yeah, check this out as well. Little beastie import for my camera while I'm doing reviews and whatnot. Got it back on, bro. Sweet. So, stuff's out of the box. Old gear. The headlights are back in. Headlights are in. We've ran the pipe work up. Checking for a couple of boost leaks, man. We're hearing a little hissing, so we're not sure. We've sprayed a bit of soapy water on it, couldn't see much. So look at that though, boys. Chaddy's done it again. Smashing it. So yeah. Stage 2 intercooler on from MTC. Just putting the nice foamy stuff back on now. It's been a bit, listen, like, we're car guys, we're not car mechanics, so we learn as we go along. Shout out VXR online as well, some guys uploaded, give us a bit of a clue here and there. Other than that, we've just smashed it, to be honest. Really liking the look of it now. We've winged it, we've just bush mechanic the life out of it. So yeah, I'll test it out on the way home, see what's going on, see how it feels, try this beast, and I'll give you an update on it as soon as possible, see how it feels. Hopefully it should be a lot better. I need to get that sprayed as well, so blag it, go air tech, bro. Just blag the air techness. Won't do that to you, Matt, lad. So yeah, hopefully we'll get the car looking back sweet again together, put all this gear away, and get out on the road. So yeah, hope you're enjoying watching. Couldn't do a bit by bit because we didn't know the bit by bit, so there's no bit by bit. But yeah, man, catch you in a minute. Peace out.
M3 in front, Jaguar behind me. I got caught up in the middle of some fucking modball rally or some shit. Get this shit out, man!
Check these out, boys. Yo. Yes guys, welcome back again. So, just flew down to Image to meet Jesse because we're gonna, I don't know, apparently wash a card or something because it keeps getting dirty, don't know what's up with it. And I didn't want to leave the last video as it was really, because it kind of got a bit late and we shut off. So, we managed to get the intercooler fitted. We had one little niggle. My AC radiator had to come out because it was crumbling at the bottom, it was shit. So I've had to get a new AC radiator. I'm just waiting for Chadder to pull that out. I'm not joking, he's busy today on Saturday. And we'll get it fitted hopefully this weekend, the AC radiator. So I thought I'd give you a bit of a bit of a look at it, if I can. I'm thinking of taking the front grille out, the honeycomb bit. You can see that there. So yeah, running an MTC. Stage 2, front mount intercooler, proven up to 500 and something brake, which is more than enough from what I'm going to use it for. We took the gold off, cleaned that up, but I've left a little bit on there. I need to take that off and clean it up. It's got mad loads of glue on it. So yeah, man. Other than that, what we on here? Oh, the size just give me some more bits. You know this shiny stuff here? That's on there, like got glitters and glows or whatever in the sunlight. Some more bits, boys, some bits. Doing bits. So yeah, I think I'll use them 2 bits on here. Do you reckon? On there, man. Them things. So yeah, get them sparkling. Go for the mooch now with Jess. I don't know if Lee's coming down. Do some videos. Sneak preview it, what's going on. What's going on?
Hello, darling.
Hello, what's happening? What are you doing? Go on. Toys. This is Jonas.
You fixed this mount.
The camera's working, boys.
Mate, that's a sick little mount, that is.
You like it?
That's cool.
I like it.
It'll hold it steady.
You're only saying that because you want the other one, Jesse. I'm not stupid.
Hey, either one, pal. I'm happy.
You're liking him, yeah?
That's cool, that. I do like that.
Out
hey,
in
mate,
the
you're
stick.
investing into this YouTube, aren't you?
Yeah, about £6 from Taiwan.
Hey, my BMX was made from Taiwan. Shout out Decathlon.
So that's it. We're cameraed up and that. We're ready to go. Lockwood, B70NY. Jesse, watch the fuck out. I'm en route.
Mate, I'm vaping on Iron Man here.
Yeah, you having a go, yeah? Yes guys, how's it going again? So basically, just come away from Image now, picking Jesse up, and we're on our way down to meet Lockwood again, I reckon. I think they're going to snow foam the cars because these lucky fuckers are going to Japfest tomorrow. So I've had a word. I might have a drive down, see what it's like. Well, I've got a lot on, so I just thought I've sorted my mount out in the car. No more clicking and cracking noises from my phone. Needed to sort it out anyway. So a lot more decent vlogs coming your way from me there, I think. Talk a bit more in the car about what we're going to do, what's going on, how you can come out and see us and come to meets and whatnot, get on it, what I'm going to do with the channel really, going forward, because I'm thinking of doing a lot of car reviews this summer. The weather's nice, we'll do a lot of car reviews. I've got a few in line already that I'm talking to, and I think, turn that down, I think the first one I'm going to be doing, I'll have a little bit of a tunnel here. Can't beat a bit of a tunnel. And well, I won't tell you what it's going to be, but it's a really nice car. It's had a lot of work done to it. It's been down to DDG. It's a fella I've chatted to since I went to DDG and he went down and used them. So I'm really looking forward to getting in his car and having a drive around with him and see what it's like, because it looks absolutely mental. So I'll keep it just short and sweet for now, and I'll catch up with you in a minute when I get to where we're going. Lockwood's house, I think. So fair play, boys. Peace. Straight over. Hey, just come round. Hey, you go first. Hey, bro. Yes. Fucking mental. Yo, what's happening? Wagwan ting, man like Lee. Absolute fly, Japfest ready Evo there. Yeah, stunner. Japfest ready. So we was going to wash the cars here, but it's absolutely crap weather, so there's no point. Mine's fly anyway, so I was just going to watch Jesse do his, bit of snow foaming. So, other than that, I've talked to you about the intercooler, that's all we've done for now. Get me AC rad on tomorrow, hopefully, if I can do. If not, might even be down at Jackfest with these boys. We'll see what happens,
Everyone comment below telling him to go Jackfest. I said I'll make him a square plate, or he'll fit right in with that.
So yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget, always like to comment and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one, boys. Peace.